Hey guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my recent purchase from Van Cleef & Arpels. By the way guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I'm so excited to do this unboxing with you. I have to say it was a complete impromptu purchase. I did not plan it, even though it was on my wish list for such a long time. By the way, this is a receipt that came with the purchase. What else do we have here? Okay, I think it's a certificate of authenticity. It comes with every single VCA purchase and it contains some information about the product. It typically contains the number that is assigned to each product. And this is a cleaning cloth, which is so useful. I typically use it on my mother of pearl and onyx jewelry. And next up is finally a box with the purchase. I'm so excited to open it up. Actually, at first I wanted to unbox it a bit later, but I feel so excited about this item and I just can't wait to wear it, so I have to open it sooner. I wanted to purchase this since 2019, but I literally ended up prioritizing everything else from my wish list. And I usually made that decision before all the price increases. I ended up going for items that are more expensive because I knew that they would get a higher price increase. And I have to say, these were always available. They were so popular, but right now they are quite hard to get. And also the price has increased on them by quite a lot. They will definitely become even more expensive and harder to get. And I just didn't want to have any regrets because I don't know when I'll be able to see this size in the store, so I just decided to get them on the spot. They are so cute and they are perfect for a daily wear. I just love the vintage size. It's so comfortable, so light, and they are perfect for a daily wear. These mother of pearl earrings have different shades. The light is quite dark, I'm filming it quite late, so you can't see other shades. Maybe just a little bit, you could see some orange and maybe a little bit of pink. Someone might say, why would I get another pair in the same stone but just in a smaller size? But I'm actually quite particular about the sizes, and I'm gonna show to you my entire white mother of pearl Alhambra collection and with which jewelry I'm planning to wear these two sizes. I really love Alhambra earrings. I feel like they go with absolutely every outfit and you can wear them on a daily basis or when going out. They are not too casual but also don't look over the top. They both feel very comfortable on the earlobe. And by the way guys, I have previously posted a detailed comparison video where I talked about pros and cons of these two sizes. I will add the link to the vlog in the description box below in case you want to check it out. So here is the vintage size on me. It's not too small, it's just perfect. But I have to say, unlikely I'm going to wear them on its own. I feel like something else is missing. I got them specifically to pair with my 10 motif necklace that I purchased 2 years ago. And if in the future I decide to add another 20 motif and wrap it around my neck 2 times, I feel like the vintage size earrings would match it the best. I'm very particular about the sizes and I want everything to match. It's just my personal preference. But of course it doesn't have to. I'm just particular about some small details like that. And I feel like I could actually wear 3 of them together. The necklace, the earrings and the bracelet, because it's not going to be over the top. By the way, I will add the review of the 10 motif necklaces for you guys in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I just love the way the 5 motif bracelet looks with Cartier Love Bangle. It's such a gorgeous stack. And by the way guys, I have previously posted a detailed review video of the 5 motif bracelet. I will also link it down in case you want to check it out. And here is how the magic size looks in comparison to the vintage. I would always recommend to come to the store and try on the sizes and see how they look on you before you make your decision. By the way, I usually pair these earrings with the 5 motif bracelet. I really like that combination and I think it's perfect for a daily wear. I typically wear the magic earrings with the high neckline tops or sweaters, or sometimes even with blazers. I previously posted quite a few videos on my channel when I wore this particular combination. So if you're following me for quite some time, you have seen this before on me. I also love to wear my 16 motif necklace that I have recently unboxed on my channel, and I will link down the vlog in the description box below for you guys in case you want to have a look. I feel like this size works the best with this necklace. Of course the vintage would go as well, but I feel like magic is more flattering and it looks more substantial. By the way, I'm just so obsessed with the 16 motif necklace. I think it's one of the most beautiful and most versatile from Van Cleef & Arpels Alhambra collection, especially from the Mother of Pearl range. I love that there are at least 4 different ways of how you can wear it, which is amazing. I previously posted some ways on my Instagram channel, so if you're not subscribed, please consider to do so. I have to say, most of the jewelry that I purchased from Van Cleef & Arpels is actually made of white mother of pearl stone. I'm just so obsessed with it. Of course, I still have some pieces in onyx and I love them. Onyx is so special, it's so easy to style and it goes with absolutely everything as well. I previously posted a detailed review on my channel, which I'll link down for you guys in case you want to check it out. By the way guys, which stone do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. And by the way guys, I previously posted my entire jewelry collection vlog. In case you want to see some other pieces from Van Cleef & Arpels collection, from Cartier, from Dior, my watches, and some other local brands. And please feel free to subscribe to my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!